All right, traders, it is the 2nd of July 2017. My name is Jameson. Welcome to Bear Trading. We're looking at a daily vertical bar chart of the MEET group. Ticker is MEET. I am bringing it back to the watch list as we have this broadening base of support. We washed it out here and rallied back above. This creates a spring, and we back tested it. In other words, we have a lot of selling volume that happened here. On this breakdown, bears had control. They failed to follow through. There's no supply, right? We rally away. We back test this spring here again. No supply, no weak hands. We rally above, expanding volume, kind of chop around through this resistance here, and then we break through there with expanding volume with increased ease of upward movement through the 50-day simple moving average. And as of last week's close, we kind of pulled back, but we closed off lows. So I like MEET. I think your risk is about 6 to 7%, right? So, what is the point that the invalidation point? And an invalidation point would be loss of this spring that's here. So if you buy this at $5, your risk is about 6 to 7%, just down to the support. So knowing that we don't like to lose more than 6% of a full position, that means it would be careless to take a full position here. So I'd advocate maybe taking a half position so that when it comes back, you can enter the rest of your position here. So you have a full position if it were to pull back to the base of support. And now you have a full position trading this upper price objective. If it doesn't and prices rally above the 200 and back test it, you add the rest of your position on this back test. You add on confirming this prior level resistance as support. And then we play this into this first objective. We do not hold it any longer than that. We can see that now we actually have the emergence of kind of more of a positive relative strength here relative to the market and its index. We can see that both the sector and the index here are kind of pulling back, yet MEET actually was outperforming. So I like that. And again, MEET is back on the watch list, and that's how I would trade it. I'd advocate taking a 50% position, through this range with the intention of either buying, adding to it on the dip, or adding it on a breakout.